All right, so we got an awesome product here by Colehechr. We are going ahead and boiling up some celery flakes, dehydrated and chopped celery flakes. This is all natural, no additives, vegan, gluten-free, and you're looking at about 12 ounces here. So you can use this to make up some soups, sauces, salads, and stews. So we're testing how much celery we need and some different things, so that's important to us to get the right celery flavor. I tell you what, it is about as pungent as it gets. If you love celery, this is going to be it for you. Check out these flakes here. I'm going to show you the flakes that we're dealing with. That is it. You're getting all of it. You're getting the stringy, the gritty, the earthy celery flake here, if that's what you're looking for. A couple things you're able to do with this. Again, not only the soup, salads, sauces, and stews, but you can boil this up, add it to your protein smoothies and stuff, because it does have all the properties of celery for it. You want to definitely store it in a cool and dry place. That's important. And then from a serving size, again, about 1 ounce is what you need. So we're testing it out. So we already got some boiling up here. I'm going to have my tester come test this for me in just a second. So let's go ahead and see. You can see it already boiled up in here, which makes it super nice and easy. Let's go ahead and get a bunch of it, just like so. And we are boiling up some potatoes at the same time. I'm curious as to how it's going to actually work with everything here. So let's go ahead and get this in my cup so we can see what we are working with. So there it is. Okay. I don't know how hot it is, but we're going to take an actual taste test and a smell test. You got exact celery just like that. It is right there. But bottoms up, guys. If you love celery, you're going to love this. Got that crunch. Even with redehydrating it, it's got the crunch and ready to go. So this is perfect for salads, soup, stews, and really everything. And if you are frisky, you can let the water cool down. And once the water cools down, guess what you can do? You can drink that as well with all the properties. So guys, at the end of the day, having this and getting with this company to get an awesome product is the way to go. Check it out.